Hello all, hope you're feeling new today. Welcome to the new camping man. Hello guys, out in the woods again. Pissing it down with rain, but never mind. If you're not used to Britain and you're from a different area of the country, well, or from the world, then this is good old British weather, but it's not bothering us. I'm out with a mate of mine at the moment, and he's got a wood burning stove. We're just going to get going. And yeah, off we go. Bit of silver birch. Never easy, is it? We'll get there in the end. Can't be damp. There we go, we're off.
Okay.
Not quite yet, we're nearly off. Right, so what we'll do is ring you back and we'll get you back in a bit. I was going to say ring you back then, I don't know where that was coming from, honestly. And we'll get this going and see how we get on with that. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay guys, my mate was just telling me a little tip for these wood burners that people don't tend to do. What was you saying, Craig?
If you put the wood, small pieces of wood chopped up, vertical into the bush box type stove, silver birch in between, light it up, then when it's burning you haven't got to keep feeding wood into it. That will burn for ages. With say my GSI kettle, that can burn for ages and I haven't got to keep going back to feeding wood into it. So
what we're really saying is a lot of people though that we've seen on YouTube and whatever is putting too much stuff in there and it's burning out too quick then basically, is that?
Well, this is just an easier way of, if you've got other things to do around camp, loading a wood stove that way, you can load it up, put your kettle on, and away you go. You can cook on there, steaks, all sorts of stuff, or slow cook in cast iron or something, and away you go.
Well, I know there's a few YouTubers have these wood stoves, but I think it's the way it's used, isn't it, really? And people feeding it all day is just keep it going from the start. It's probably easier, isn't it? And then put plenty
Everyone
of
has
stuff in
different
there.
ways of doing it. I mean, this will keep going for a while, so you can make a cup of tea, you could fry up your dinner, lunch, and you haven't got to keep feeding it. You can concentrate on cooking or doing other admin chores around camp. So,
as I say, there's no right way or wrong way. It's just another tip. I mean, I suppose people putting things into the stove keeps it going all night and they're happy. It keeps the mindset, doesn't it? Keeps you in the game. But I personally like the idea what my mate said a minute ago was just keep it, just have it going in there, and you know, without having to feed it all night. But personal choice, I suppose, isn't it? But yeah, what a plan. Yeah, okay. Nice one. So the rain is coming down, you can hear it, but ain't bothering us at all. And I tell you what, I've put some waterproofs on today, so I'm pretty warm. So okay, I mean, we get lots of people I see on YouTube and luckily in America and everything, all the sun's out. We have to come tape with the British weather, but I think it adds to the fun, really, to be honest. I'm still looking towards a winter camp. We'll have to wait and see how it plans out. Right, okay.